Welcome back to another Buc-ee's Family Travel Center construction update. Today is July the 11th, 2025.
We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, standing on Arts Road, which is across the street from the entrance to the new Buc-ee's. You can kind of see it behind us there. It's a very warm day. Biggest changes that we noticed this week, there's a lot of material up on the roof. Not sure what it's all for, but there is a lot of material up there. The facades got a lot more definition, especially in the areas where the ice machines will be located. The exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235, it's kind of gone. So you'll see that in the drone footage.
We don't come that way, so we didn't notice it when we were driving, but it'll probably show up on the 360.
Yeah, and they said they were going to do that, so I think the news said it'll be mid to late August when that's all complete, so it's going to be a pretty big inconvenience for people who live around here for a couple weeks. There's also some work going on covering up the fuel lines that lead from the underground storage tanks over to the fuel pumps. Got a little drone video of the guys working down there. That south parking lot is showing a lot more definition now. Kind of looks like that might be the area where they're going to let campers and RVs park. I think this week be a good week to insert a picture from the groundbreaking ceremony, kind of show you how the progress is lining up with the picture that we saw last August, which is almost about a year ago, 11 months from today. So quite a lot's been done. Next Friday and Saturday, July 18th and 19th, we're going to be in Salina, Ohio with two of our games. We're going to have our Cat Rat game and our High Striker game. We'll be at the IC Church Festival in downtown Salina, Ohio. Any of the viewers that might live up that way, come on down, stop by and say hi. Let us know who you are. We'd love to meet you. Because of the work next weekend, might be a little bit of a struggle next weekend to get a video for you. So if you don't see a video next week, that's the reason. We'll catch back up the following week, but we're going to try to get down here Sunday or Monday, but it all depends on the weather and what else we got going on. Well, that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the construction site. I've added the drawings that they put up at the groundbreaking ceremony last August. You can kind of see how the progress is taking shape compared to the way the pictures looked almost a year ago. Here we can see the underground fuel storage tanks, the north fuel pump islands, along with the north parking lot. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see where a lot of progress has been made on the facades for the entrances and exits of the building, as well as the areas where the ice machines will be located. There's also a lot of building materials on the roof of the building, getting ready for the next part of the construction. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. You can see right now the exit ramp is no more while construction is undergoing for the updates and improvements. This is Center Point Boulevard over by the Taco Bell and the Wendy's. You still can't drive on that new lane that they've put in place here.